Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris. Today's video, I'm just going to show you, an average day for me, what I've been up to during this isolation, what I'm doing to keep busy. And the sun just came up, so it's early morning. So first things first, I'm going to let the dogs out, feed them, and then we'll figure it out from there. The grass is really tall and thick where they go to the bathroom. And everywhere beyond where their leash runs is very short, as you can see. It's not as thick as it is over here. Fertilizer, dog fertilizer, dog poo. Hey, Indy, Zeke, you're always so close to me. Hi, Andy. You guys want to go eat? Yeah? How about we go eat? Zeke likes to eat. Yeah, he likes to eat. All right, let's go do that. Okay, so now the dogs are all taken care of, and some of you guys are probably thinking, well, Chris, you've been telling us that you're on this crazy schedule where you're up all night and you sleep in the day, and that is true. So I'm not just waking up, I'm just getting ready to go to bed. So I took the dogs out for the last time before I wake up again. So I'm gonna go try to get some sleep, and when I wake up, hopefully the sun will have dried the grass out and I'll be able to mow it. So I started mowing the lawn the other day. It's quite long and I never let it get this long. However, the weather here has been crazy, and it's just like a week ago it was snowing out. So I never really had the chance to mow my lawn. It just kept getting longer and longer. And then it rained out, so my backyard was kind of swampy. So I was able to mow the front yard. I still got to mow the backyard. So hopefully it'll be dry enough and warm enough to mow it when I wake up. The other thing that I want to say, if you guys haven't been watching the live streams that I've been doing or anything like that, my good camera that I film all my videos on is broken. It's been broken for quite some time. The audio on it is not working. So the audio jack on it doesn't work. So all I have is the onboard audio, which is pretty horrible. It's doable, but it's not the best. And I have a really nice microphone. I just can't use it. It is under warranty because I bought the camera last summer. So I'm sending it back to Sony, and I'm just afraid that they're gonna have it for quite some time. I know my friend Craig sent his camera back, and it took like 2 months to get it back. So I don't have my camera, so I'm not really able to do my live streams like I normally do. Having guests on the show, I just can't really do that right now. I do have an older camera. I have the Canon 70D, but there isn't really a fix for that. It turns off every 30 minutes. So the only way I can really stream is straight through my iPhone, and when I do that, I can't have guests on the show unless they're actually here. So that's quite a bummer. So some of the things that I'm going to do in this video when I wake up, I'm going to show you what I do for a workout routine. So I'll see you guys in a few hours. Oh, and I almost forgot, my sourdough starter is perfect right now. So I'm going to start a bread, and when I wake up, I'll be able to finish it. All right, so I tried to sleep. I got about an hour and I couldn't sleep. So I'm up now, and it's warm out. It's like 75 degrees out there, which is nice considering it was snowing last week. So I'm gonna go out here and attempt to mow the back lawn again. Hopefully it's not as soggy out there. All right, that took about an hour. My lawnmower stalled out a bunch of times, but we got the backyard mowed. I don't think I'm gonna rake it though. Just let it all biodegrade. There we go. Also a workout because my lawnmower kept stalling so many times. Literally probably 60 or 70 times. Not even kidding, I had to go a couple inches at a time. Anyway, that's it. Oh, I got grass stains all over my hands now. I'm craving something and I know exactly what I want, so follow me. This is what I've been craving. So I'm gonna cut this open and chow down this for my breakfast. Also, I'm gonna have some of my Healthy Cell vegan essentials. I've talked about these before. These are vitamins, everything you need for a healthy body. These are designed specifically for vegans. They're all vegan. It's just kind of like a liquid. This is actually chilled. I just got it out of the refrigerator. In light of everything that's going on, I've seen some articles and some different information. Who knows what's what these days? There's so much conflicting information out there, but there's some doctors out there saying that vitamin D, they don't know if it's preventing that virus that's going on. There's some doctors out there that are saying that studies have shown that the vitamin D, although they don't know if it's preventing the virus, I'm not going to say the name, but a lot of the people that have come down with the virus have been vitamin D deficient. So not to mention a lot of the population, at least here in the United States, are vitamin D deficient. So it really can't hurt to take one of these daily. And if you're looking for some kind of vitamins, making sure that you're getting everything you need, maybe you feel something's off, it couldn't hurt to try some vitamins. So I recommend these. There's a lot of them out there, but this is what I'm currently taking, Vegan Essentials. And I do have a coupon code for you guys to save 20%. It's a zombie. So I'm gonna take this right now. Don't mind my appearance. I literally just got up and mowed the lawn. There we go. And I literally just like to stick a spoon in it and eat it like that. But I cut it kind of lopsided, so I also got one of these halves of it. I feel like this is the default watermelon. Definitely refreshing. It's cold. I had it in the refrigerator. You know, sometimes they just don't taste good. Oh, this tastes good. It's not the best one I had. It's not as sweet, but it's good and it's refreshing. I'm gonna enjoy. You know what? I take that back. I had there were a few bad spots in that watermelon. I think just being so hot from mowing the lawn and coming in and having a nice cold, refreshing watermelon tasted good at first, but it's not that good. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. This year, going to the farmer's market, and the last few times I've gone to the farmer's market here in Syracuse, everything has just been, all the produce has been really bad. I don't think I'm gonna buy there anymore. I know it's way cheaper than a place like Wegmans is, but Wegmans has at least decent produce. The last few times I've been to the farmer's market, everything has just been horrible, like literally molding and spoiling as I get it home. Looks really good when you get it. Literally when you get it home, it's got mold on it. I had to throw away like 4 huge cucumbers. They looked good when I bought them and they just were nasty, slimy. The lemons I bought, they had mold on them the very next day. I don't know where they're getting their produce from, but it's horrible. I just had to say that. All right, guys, this is my old camera. I haven't used it in a while, so I hope it looks okay. I hope it sounds okay. I feel like I'm a little bit blown out here, but mowed the lawn, taking my vitamins. I still got to make the sourdough. I'm going to show you my workout routine, what I do normally. And now that it's a lot warmer out, which I hope it stays this way for a while at least, I'm going to be going for runs a lot more often. Because before this, you know, I hate running in the cold, and then I was going to the gym and running there every night until everything got closed down. And then after that, I practically just stopped running until now. So I'll, you know, go for a run around the neighborhood. Usually go when it's dark out. So later at night, I'll go running, and I'll normally run between 1 and 3 miles, depending on how I feel. So let's go over and I'll show you what I usually do to get started on my routine. Okay, so I like to have, most of my house is hardwood floors, and so I like to have like a cushion for my hands when I do my push-ups, especially after falling on this hand right here when I was skateboarding last year. So I just start out with doing some push-ups, and I don't know, I'll usually do between, I don't know, 30 and 50 at a time. Zeke, I'm trying to do a video, okay? I'm trying to do a video. I am trying to do a video. I'm trying to do a video. I'm trying to do a video. So yeah, I did 40. And then I'll take a little break and then I'll do 30 or 40 more. And I'll usually do about 100 to 120 of those. Zeke, no. What are we doing? What are we doing? Okay. Now the other thing is I don't have my wide angle. Well, I do, but it's broken. So I have some dumbbells here. I got some 20 pounders and I got some 30 pounders, and I'll just do, you know, different things. I'll do these curls, and I'll usually do probably like 20 to 26 of these, and I'll do them 3 times. And then usually when I come down, I'll do some traps. And these are also good to do squats, kind of like a deadlift. I don't like to do actual deadlifts because, you know, I hurt my back about 10 years ago, and I just don't like the way it feels when I do it. So that's totally fine to do it this way. And then, you know, a little bit lighter, you can start out with the lighter ones. And basically I'll sit in a chair or lean up to the couch. And depending on how much you can lift, you can go on to the heavier ones if you can do those all right. But I have, I kind of hurt my left shoulder a little bit, so I like to keep them at the 20 right now. And then for the other exercise I do, I gotta go back upstairs. I've got a pull-up bar that I bought probably 7 or 8 years ago. Totally got my money's worth out of this. I think it was only like 20 or 30 bucks. I just put it in the doorway like that. And then I have several different techniques that I can do here. I can hold it like this and do pull-ups that way. I can do pull-ups this way. I can do close grip pull-ups. I can do chin-ups. Pull-ups really work more than just your arms. They work your whole core, and it's one of the main exercises that I try to do just about every day between the push-ups and the pull-ups. Very easy exercises you can do, and you really don't need any equipment. I mean, you can grab a pull-up bar, but you can find other things around, like a tree branch or whatever, a playground, monkey bars or something to do pull-ups with. So highly recommend if you want to get in shape to do some pull-ups. Let's go check out the sourdough. What are you looking at? All right, the sourdough is just about ready to cook, so I gotta preheat the oven, and I'm gonna do that to 550. We want it to get really hot. It's gonna take a little bit to get up to there. So in the meantime, while that's heating up, I'm gonna take a quick shower. I'll be back in just a second. That was a nice shower. I feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Still a little bit tired. The oven is still preheating because it takes a little bit. There it goes. It's ready now. So I'll get going on the sourdough. I'm boiling some water right now. I like to put the water in there for the steam to make the crust extra crispy. What else can I say in this video? The other things that I wanted to mention, other things that I've been doing lately. For those of you that have been watching my second channel, I've been going live every night for the past couple months now, and only until recently I kind of stopped doing that because my camera. I know it all comes back to the camera. When you're a YouTuber, camera is essential. So obviously I'm still doing my videos with my iPhone and my old camera, but you get used to something. And you know, as far as streaming goes, again, I know I've already mentioned it, but you know, I kind of need my main camera to do streams and have guests on and stuff like that. So now that I don't have that, probably won't go live as often as I used to. The other things that I've been up to, started getting back into MMORPG, which is the one that I've been playing is EverQuest. You know, that's a massive multi-online role-playing game. That's what it stands for. So EverQuest is a game that I started playing 19 years ago, over 19 years ago. Grew pretty fond of it and played it all the time for a few years. And then I just got out of it, stopped playing altogether, started my YouTube channel. And you know, with this whole situation that we're in right now, I've been playing a lot more. I started it up on the free server back in December. I've been playing with a few people that I grew up with every night, and just having a lot of fun. So I've been doing that on my Twitch channel, so you can actually go and watch me Twitch on I'll put the link below if you guys are interested in it. I know not everybody's interested in watching people play games. That's something I ask myself, why would somebody go and watch people play games? But you'd be surprised, there's a lot of Twitchers out there, and I guess people do other things other than play games. But yeah, that's the game that I've been playing. You know, you don't have to go there to watch the game. You can come there and hang out. We can talk, ask questions. It's kind of just like a hangout, talk about whatever. I don't know, that's pretty much all. I haven't really been leaving the house. I haven't been socializing. So it's just pretty much me and the dogs every night. My roommate Rachel is a nurse, so she works overnights at the hospital, long shifts, so I don't usually see her that much lately. She's focusing right now on her plants. She's got a lot of plants in this house. Let's go check that sourdough. I don't know, guys. That looks like a good sweet potato. I might eat it myself. Where's the keys? No, he likes it. It smells like a bakery in here. It smells so good. The sourdough is done, and I'm about to take it out of the oven. So let's hope it came out okay. These things are tricky. Okay, all right. So let me get it out of here first of all. Put it on my makeshift little cooling tray. I bet you it tastes delicious. It didn't rise as much as I would have liked it to, and get like a nice crack here. Okay, so I'm gonna let this cool for about an hour before I cut into it and give it a try. All right, and I also have a package. This is from Graven Babies, so let's open it out. I think this is like the original. Can you see that? Let's see. It's E.T. That's super awesome. I'm gonna put it up here with my other E.T. stuff right there. Now we got my E.T. collection with the snake plant. It still doesn't want to focus. Can I please have my other camera back? So now he's up there with the E.T. collection. As you can see, got the E.T. poster right there. And most of you guys probably already know, if you watch the channel, that E.T. is my favorite movie. So I really appreciate that. Thank you. I love it. And that brings us to the end of this video. So hope you guys liked it. Just basically an update on what's going on with me, what I've been up to. And you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you're not already, hit the bell for notifications, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what else you'd like to see me do. And as always, stay safe, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Time to edit. Although the bread didn't rise as much as I would have liked it to, other than that, it came out perfect. It's really delicious. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.